In this Aerolite 103 video, Alina Scott continues improving her amazing flight skills at the Grass Field Fun Fly Zone of AirVenture Oshkosh 2024. So stay tuned to experience this young lady's incredible adventure. You can bank to the left a little bit, yes.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
push me?
The interesting thing about stall aircraft, short takeoff and landing, is that there's an old saying amongst pilots that the safest way to fly an airplane is in the middle of the envelope. You keep it away from the edges of the world in terms of...
Now the show begins.
The flying club I belong to, the Michigan Ultralight Association. I'd like to give a shout out to all the guys out here that are from there. We train. We have a trainer, and we train in this. Well, looks like Alina Scott getting ready to take off here. That is she's from Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. I think this is the second year she's flown here all the way. She trailer. Oh, that's all right. That's good. Reducing the length of the wing. That kills the lift and adds drag and makes it come down faster. Poke over the trees here, just under the sun. Airplane is turning from the downwind to the faceway. And if you look at the airplane flies over the middle of the 25. This is a down possibility. Okay. So as far as how much you want to that one is okay. Three, other one a little lighter, less paint on it. Okay, good. You just take the computer and set it aside and fly the airplane yourself, right? Yeah, but the computer's always watching you.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I deserve to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
How are we doing numbers wise? Are we about even? Oh, they're dead even right now. We're going to have more. We have more land.
Oh, we had 4 come in, so
So we'll probably be 4.
okay. That'll be kind of a acknowledgement that everybody's down.
The week are just like you and me. They're interested in flying. They're probably just doing it for fun. You know, talking about the air cam and that canopy, I've often wondered what would happen if that canopy came open in place. That would be, that'd be worth talking about, I think. And it comes from a long line of predecessors, a lot of grandfathers along the way. I own the Max Air Hummer that I bought in 1978 and built. I bought it from Phil Lockwood. Phil Lockwood then.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
bandsaw or something to that too, if you want it, though. The dual Rotax engines on there would probably push lift and push whatever. Yeah, now that the angle I'm looking at it now, I can see it's a step, but when it was going the other way on the runway, looked like it was hanging down. Right on the mark, and that's what Micro Strander was aiming for. Waving at the crowd as he passes by. Hardly a better. And I did fly in trace. I had the phone hang gliders when I was a kid. I thought, this would be really easy to do.
I was like, I can do one more. I got.
Pull you up. You need the room there. Pull you up.
Say it again?
Power it up here.
Oh wait, let me get out of the airplane. Yeah. Right here that I'll get stuck on. Yeah, you can grab it there.
Another very unique adaptation. Just a reminder for everybody.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I appreciate your comments. A special thanks to Alina and William Scott for sharing their story. Until next time, take care.
I'll turn to the water. Okay, ready? See if I can get it. See if this is going to come through. Oh, it didn't. See if I can't make this.
There is a double-edged
Oh,
sword. Certainly not. But I think there is.
wow, that is.
But not the
Wow, look at that.